Alright, here we got a all-wheel steer, 42 UNVERFERTH McCurdy, just got pulled in. It is all-wheel steer. It's got the bigger, it's got the Macdon type holders on it, and that's what it had. It had a 40-foot flex draper on it, John Deere flex draper. So nice head cart. Tires look good. It's got the light kit on the back. Only thing I saw is this. I went to pick it up. This needs a new end on it. It got, I think the tongue smashed it actually, but that'll need replaced so you'll have lights. But it's got the chains and everything on it, and extension tongue, and all-wheel steer.
Ah, my God.